Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, just a few comments on the gold market. On the daily chart, as you can see, the situation hasn't changed drastically. So we still see that market is slowly but stably is moving lower. And that probably led us to finally absolutely deny the chance on the appearing of the hand shoulders pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. And here we have two more moments that also point on possible wash and rinse of these lows. I would like to say even at least the wash and rinse, but this also could be the true breakout and downward continuation. That's also possible, depending on the farm payrolls release. So these moments are, first of all, bearish dynamic pressure. So you can see that trend has shifted bullish, as we said yesterday, but market is gradually moving lower, and price action doesn't support the trend direction, and that usually leads to taking out of these lows. It's not necessarily will be the truth breakout, but some acceleration and wash and rinse of these lows is possible. That's what we're particularly watching for from the perspective of the double repo buy pattern here. That's what we would like to get. If upward retracement will start, then probably some sort of the wash and rinse here should happen of these lows, and market after that could turn to the upside. Also, it's just as usual, in fact, we could get nothing. So it just market will fail here, will accelerate lower. In this case, we probably might say that the road to the 1130 lows will be open. So currently market stands very close to the resolving of this riddle. Second moment is this high wave pattern. Recall what we have said. Depending on the direction of the breakout, further action will follow. And right now, market pressing down the price right to these lows. This is the low of this high wave, and then taking of these lows probably will be with acceleration lower. Today, non-farm payrolls release, guys. Market expects 240,000 jobs. So make your conclusions. So if market will show any surprise in any direction, the following action will happen on the gold market. That's what about the daily chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, what we see, market is forming the multiple bearish grabbers here and here. That suggests the taking out of these lows, and if this really will happen, market with a high probability will complete the butterfly. That in turn will lead probably to the wash and rinse of these lows. Okay, that's what we will particularly be watching for during today's session. But after that, we would like to get the strong bounce up. We would like to see the capitulation of the bears, at least in the short term. That will let us to suggest that the upward retracement has started, and we could get the double repo pattern on the daily. Of course, as I said previously, we could get the greater butterfly. For example, it could be the left wing, right? And that could be the right wing. So in this case, market could move slightly lower, somewhere probably in this area. We will see what will happen. And the action around the 12-even hour is not simple as it seems on the first glance. Current action doesn't look like the directional action. As the thrust, you can see this is very choppy. There's a lot of bounces, a lot of pullbacks. So it's not mostly remind the retracement. Well, that's in fact all that we could say on the gold market. Shortly speaking, the chances on the bounce still exist. The chances on the appearing of the double repo buy still exist. And from that perspective, we need to see what market will show right in an area of these bottoms. We would like to get the wash and rinse and first rebound up from these lows. In this case, that just will give more chances to appearing of the double repo. That's why it's a bit early to take the short position, because we do not have yet the clear breakout of 12-even area. At the same time, it's not time yet to take the longs, because today, right now, we will get the non-farm payrolls release, and we do not have the completed patterns yet. So this butterfly hasn't been completed yet. The double repo hasn't been confirmed, and in fact we do not have any confirmed and clear patterns on our back yet. So we need to get them before taking any position. That's why particularly these patterns we will be watching for, and let's see what will happen today.